Hello there, this is my channel. Subscribe, motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. Here, find and replace in Microsoft Word. If you need to find a particular word or phrase in your document, you can use the find command. This command is easily useful when you are working with large files. If you have a large file, it's possible to search a word, a sentence, or a paragraph. If you want to search the entire document, simply execute the find command, says under image search. Under home top, there is a find command and a replace command. After you find a word or phrase you are searching for, you can replace it with any text by executing the replace command. Not only searching, possible also to replace a specific word with or phrase. It is possible to search or find and replace a text. For instance, if you have and and gives you this formula helps you to display 5 paragraph text. For instance, if you want to search under Home tab on the right side, there is Find. Find, for instance, Style. Styles. It searches service here, Styles. It is highlighted. There is an exercise here. Type Monica is from this message. Monica. Control A, spacebar. No. Let me increase the size. Monica is from this time. Sample stop. She lives. She lives on the east side of town. Her daughter attends Eastern High School. Finished. Select Monica is from Eastern. She lives on the east side of her daughter attends Eastern High School. Choose, choose it. Then under home tab it says we are under home tab on the right side. Choose find. Then it says click find the editing group icon appears. Clicking the find appears. Type east. It says type east here on the find east. East service here east east eastern on the eastern there is eastward east here in the eastern also there is east. They are highlighted. Then says when you click find next east is highlighted. Next again east in the eastern is highlighted. On the 3 words there is highlighted. There is east that. Replace it says replace how can we replace? East with west it says. East with west. On the right side replace. Find what is with, replace with waste. Then replace all. As here, so replace non-side. Western here, west, western, eastward is replaced by west. And the statement. This is about how to find and replace. Find as a shortcut on the keyboard, it's possible to use Ctrl plus F. Again, Ctrl with letter F. You get a find text box here, and again, and alternatively F5 key, functional F5 gives you also the search box and Control with H. Again, find and replace it. Displays find and replace Control at the same time with letter H. This is all about find and replace. I'll continue the next lesson in next session. Thank you.